Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. Is Dini Widianti. I'm the first author from this manuscript with the title The Effect of Webinar on COVID-19 Vaccination on Academic Community Attitude Change. Thank you for the opportunity for me to present this manuscript. For the first, from introduction, coronavirus disease 2019, or we call COVID-19, is an infectious disease. In Indonesia, is one of the countries that has been exposed to the COVID-19 virus, and various efforts have been made to overcome its impact. One of it is vaccination. In the COVID-19 vaccination plan, news emerged in the community regarding post-immunization adverse events, or we call KIPI, where many reports of deaths suspected to the COVID-19 vaccination. And for the objective from this manuscript is to increase the academic community understanding regarding the COVID-19 vaccination implementation as an effort to prevent the increase of COVID-19 case in Indonesia. We use experimental test research design with the and purposive sampling. We have 39 respondents in webinar, including the academic community. They are filling out the G form, pre-test and post-test questionnaire. We have 8 questionnaire using a Likert score, and we are analysis with SPSS using per t-test. For the result from the picture is characteristic of respondent. 46% is from student and 46% from the lecture and 25% from educational staff. And for the age is 19 to 32 is about 56%, and for the majority from respondents is female. We have p-value from the result is 0.355. That is a show that no relationship and no significant relationship between the increase of respondent attitudes and webinar. It can be there is factors that and like a person's attitude, experience, or influence from the other people, or about cultural or religious institution, or about educational background. And this in this study is possible factor that influence respondent attitudes, educational background is where is study where academic community and majority of whom had a fairly high educational background, and this is so about an insignificant result in attitude change. It can be concluded that there is no effect on conducting a webinar towards to attitude change of the academic community, which can be caused by several factors, one of which is educational background. That is my presentation for this manuscript. Thank you for the time, and thank you for the chance for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Terima kasih.